Welcome to the showcase of 2022 Summer-Fall Master of Engineering Capstone project Aquaculture at UC Irvine, sponsored by Advantech. Did you know that tilapia is one of the most commonly consumed fish in the world, and it has the nickname of aquatic chicken because of the similarity in nutrition value? The worldwide market for tilapia is valued over $12 billion, but most of the tilapia fish in the US comes from imports, and only 5% is domestically produced. Why, you might ask? Well, that's because of the lack of knowledge about the water quality and the environmental conditions which benefits the tilapia fish, and the high labor cost to maintain fish farms. That's why our team came up with the automated water quality monitoring and improving system, Aquaculture. Our system consists of 8 different sensors and actuators, as well as 4 Advantech devices, 3 WISE 4012E and 1 MIO 5272 to monitor and improve the water quality. In short, this is an IoT system that can automatically detect the contents within water and act upon the data collected to minimize human error when it comes to fish farming. We have 4 sensors that can detect the temperature, pH, turbidity, and dissolved oxygen value in water. Sensors will gather data from the fish pond and upload to Azure Cloud via WISE 4012E. The data will be visualized and presented to the user in our graphical user interface. Then, another Advantech device, MIO 5272 microcomputer board, will retrieve the data from cloud and use onboard logic to determine whether or not the water quality is up to standard for tilapia fish. If not, a signal is sent to the WISE device, which can control the actuators to improve water quality, such as turning on or off the water heater, aerator, lights, and water circulation pump. To make sure that the sensors and actuators don't interfere with each other, we have 3D printed 2 remote enclosures and 1 main base enclosure. The main base contains the MIO computer board, which sends order to WISE for turning on or off the actuator. The remote enclosure only contains WISE that either upload data from sensors to cloud or receive commands from the main base. With this system implemented, you now have an automated fish farm. Now, let's take a look at the timeline for this project. For the first half of the first quarter, the team mostly focused on researching and designing the system. The main focus was to develop a good foundation for future progression. After the R&D phase is done, we moved on to making the first prototype. The first prototype was very educational and led to a lot of improvements in the second prototype. When the second prototype proved to be successful, we started to prepare the poster and video clip for the Capstone showcase. My name is Sizhe Fang. I'm the team lead of this project. I overlook both the hardware and software developments, as well as the communication between faculty advisors and company liaisons.
Hi, I'm Ronald Lee and really focus on software part, like control logic and GUI design. The most challenging part is that I should know about electrical engineering knowledge from this project.
Hello, my name is Junhan Xiao. I am in charge of the hardware part of the project. I learned a lot of precious practical experience of building an industrial product.
Hello everyone, this is Zongyao Sun from the Advantech team. In this project, I'm in charge of the Advantech WISE 4012E device and its communication with Microsoft Azure IoT network, as well as part of the hardware development.
Hello, I'm Abhishek Pawar and I designed and 3D printed the electrical enclosure chassis of remote and base version. The most challenging part for me is to learn the IoT framework, from gathering the data to process it and then how to display it by making a dashboard.
Hi, my name is Zongze Ye. I'm responsible for the research of actuators and the Python code of control logic. I work with other team members to implement how actuators can be used to maintain the water quality for fish in different situations.
And finally, we would like to say thank you again to the company liaisons and faculty advisors for all the support and guidance. It's been a pleasure working with you. Thank you.